Hello and welcome to our video on MSG in food. MSG, or monosodium glutamate, is a common food additive that has been used for decades to enhance the flavor of savory dishes. But in recent years, there has been a lot of debate and misinformation surrounding the safety of MSG. In this video, we'll be discussing the facts and figures surrounding MSG and its potential effects on our health. What is MSG? MSG is a flavor enhancer that is naturally found in many foods, including tomatoes, cheese, and mushrooms. It is also produced through a fermentation process and used as a food additive. When added to food, it can provide an umami, or savory, taste. Is MSG safe to consume? The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, considers MSG to be generally recognized as safe when consumed in normal amounts. Multiple studies have also found that MSG is not associated with the development of headaches or other adverse effects. In fact, the FDA has classified MSG as a food ingredient that is generally recognized as safe, GRAS. This classification is based on a long history of common use in food or on the results of well-conducted scientific research. Can some people be more sensitive to MSG? It is possible for some people to be more sensitive to MSG and to experience mild symptoms after consuming it. These symptoms may include headaches, flushing, and nausea. This condition is known as MSG symptom complex or Chinese restaurant syndrome. However, it is important to note that the vast majority of people do not experience any symptoms after consuming MSG. If you believe you may be sensitive to MSG, it's always a good idea to pay attention to how your body reacts to different foods and speak with a healthcare professional if you have concerns. How is MSG used in food? MSG is commonly added to savory dishes, such as soups, sauces, and processed snack foods, to enhance their flavor. It is also used in some restaurants as a seasoning for grilled or stir-fried dishes. If you are concerned about consuming MSG, you can check food labels for the ingredient monosodium glutamate or look for products that are labeled no MSG or no added MSG. What do health organizations have to say about MSG? Many health organizations, including the World Health Organization, WHO, and the American Heart Association, AHA, have reviewed the available scientific evidence and have concluded that MSG is safe to consume when consumed in normal amounts. The WHO has also stated that MSG is not a major contributor to the global burden of disease. In conclusion, MSG is a safe and commonly used food additive that has been shown to enhance the flavor of savory dishes. While some people may be more sensitive to MSG and may experience mild symptoms after consuming it, the vast majority of people can safely enjoy foods that contain MSG. If you have concerns about MSG, it is always a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.